In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download Resident Evil 5 on any PC or laptop. Now what you want to do first is you want to now open any web browser, and then once you're here, you now want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. So now once you've typed out Steam, you want to make sure to find the official website for Steam, then go ahead and click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. Then once you've done that, you now want to make sure to go to the top of your screen and click on Install Steam. So now once you've installed your Steam, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and type out Resident Evil 5. Now once you've located the game, what you want to do now is you want to click on it. So now as you can see, the game is on display on your screen right here, and what you want to do is in order to play it, you now want to scroll down until you see add to cart, then you want to click on it, then you want to make sure to click on view my cart, and then all that's left for you to do now is to click on continue to payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.